A Nigerian businesswoman has sparked conversations online after revealing that she was allegedly issued a tax assessment of 11.7 million naira by officials she identified as representatives of the Nigerian Revenue Service (NRS). In a video shared on social media, the entrepreneur expressed surprise over the development, stating that officials reportedly calculated tax liabilities dating back to 2022, a period she claims her current brand name and business account were not yet operational. According to her, the assessment referenced transactions from 2022, despite her insistence that the business under its current structure did not begin operations that year. She questioned how the figures was determined and suggested that there may have been discrepancies in the information used. The business owner also alleged that her business details may have been sourced from Instagram, pointing to what she described as inconsistencies in how her brand name and address were documented in the assessment notice. She maintained that a proper financial review would show that a transaction did not begin within the time frame stated. Following the development, the entrepreneur announced that she would begin charging 7.5% value-added tax on products moving forward. She urged customers to understand her decision, explaining that the move is intended to help her manage compliance obligations.
Guys, at this point, my fear is about to start coming to pass. Because tell me why NRS, the Nigerian Revenue Service, all these tax people, they walked into my store and slammed me tax of 11.7 million naira. This is not even a joking matter, because now my fear of taking tax from my customers is starting to get to a point that I cannot avoid it. We now have to start taking VAT from everything we sell on this page. I have just been slammed 11.7 million naira. I don't know if you can see it right here. 11.7 million naira. Even my fear is they went to calculate from 2022. As in 2022, I did not even open this page. Before I was using my previous page, then I had to rebrand and change the name. I did not register this business page in 2022. I did not even open our business account in 2022. How did they come to the conclusion of this figure, 11.7 million naira? 2022, that I have not even started running this particular brand name. 11 point. Where did they want me to get 11.7 million naira? How much are they sell? 11.7 million naira. Business owners you guys have to start being careful, because I am 99.9% sure that they found me on Instagram, because the way the address is written, every single thing, I can bet it with my life that it is through Instagram. This is my address, Becky Luxury, my address and everything. Because how did they even get, even my account name doesn't carry just Becky Luxury. If you are a customer, you know that our account name is not just, there's something attached to it at the back, but what is just says Becky Luxury. So they found the business name on Instagram and they just wrote something and they just bring it. Because if you check, if they actually did check my account, they will see that I did not start transaction with my account in 2022. So I don't understand. All I just know is you start charging VAT. So by the time I'm posting this video, every price that is before this video, know that we're going to start charging 7.5% for VAT. I cannot help it. Please, let's just try to understand. Thank you.
A video has generated mixed reactions online, with some users expressing sympathy and others encouraging business owners to ensure proper tax documentation and professional accounting support. The incident has ignited discussions about taxation for small and medium-scale businesses in Nigeria, particularly those operating online. Many entrepreneurs have emphasized the importance of registering businesses properly, maintaining accurate financial records, and seeking professional tax advice to avoid unexpected liabilities. At the time of filing this report, there has been no official public statement from the relevant tax authorities addressing the specific claims made in the video. What do you think? Should online businesses automatically charge VAT from the start? Do you believe small business owners need more tax education and clarity? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. We'll continue to monitor this story and supply you more timely updates. Please keep watching NaijaNews TV.